At the Fuel Business Unit of Framatome, we are fully committed to innovation. The main focus of our research and development programs is the on-time delivery of high-quality, reliable and advanced products to our customers. Beyond this goal, excellence in the field of innovation on fuel technologies is a key target for us to ensure our technological leadership and to prepare for new challenges in the future. The Free to Innovate program was created in 2018. It aims at collecting, promoting and enriching innovative technological ideas from all units of the Fuel BU in the US, France and Germany. Free to Innovate covers all the activities of the Framatome Fuel Business Unit, from the manufacturing and control of zirconium products and fuel assemblies, to advanced product design, the development of codes and methods, and finally on-site services. The founding principle of Free to Innovate is to give employees the freedom to innovate. Each of the 4,500 employees of the Fuel Business Unit has the opportunity to become a main player in the creation of the fuel technologies of today and tomorrow. Innovators are at the heart of Free to Innovate. They initiate their idea, then they carry out an analysis of its feasibility and of its value. They themselves can decide to create a small team, with members from other units or even with external partners. They also have a dedicated budget to work on their idea. Once this feasibility study has been carried out, the innovator submits his or her idea to a so-called domain promoter, who then takes the decision to launch the project in Fuel R&D program.
Free to Innovate. It's a great tool to motivate employees to propose new and original ideas and thus stimulate innovation in the company. Lately, with artificial intelligence becoming more mainstream, and we've had a lot of new ideas coming on how to incorporate artificial intelligence into manufacturing processes. For example, the fabrication of large ingots by vacuum arc melting is a complex process with lots of influencing parameters, and therefore we're using AI to analyze all these parameters to better understand the process, and with this knowledge we can significantly reduce the risk of accidents, but also optimize the process to improve the ingot quality. In the same way, the fabrication of nuclear fuel generates lots of production data, a very complex process as well, lots of different steps. And beforehand, this large databases were too large to analyze with us humans. But now with the AI, and especially machine learning, we're able to analyze these large databases, and that helps us understand and determine the most influencing parameters to then improve our processes, improve the quality of our product. Finally, AI is an extremely powerful tool to analyze images and especially compare different images, which then enables us to highlight really the small differences between the images and detect potential defects. It is therefore extremely useful to support and automate visual inspections, and this is for example, for pellet visual inspections or fuel assembly visual inspections.
The idea lifecycle and decision process is streamlined and made much shorter than the usual innovation processes. No bottleneck, no committee. Provided they are related to fuel technologies, all ideas are welcome and assessed in an open-minded spirit. The innovator can rely on the support of an innovation network consisting of a core team, local relays on each site, and partners motivated to enrich ideas. We open challenges regularly, most often with a focus on cutting-edge technologies or on customer needs. And finally, in 2021, we created FTI 2.0, a dedicated digital centre accessible to everyone in Fuel. Each year, the Fuel BU executives organise the Free to Innovate Awards to acknowledge the most promising ideas.
I have the distinct pleasure of being a promoter of the Free to Innovate program as part of our overall research and development portfolio. Free to Innovate provides a user-friendly environment to develop innovative ideas and promotes cross-teams of innovators from various sites or technical domains, making those ideas stronger and providing the pathway to their introduction in formal R&D programs.
For core design optimization, an idea was proposed to have a tool to fill in a large database. Through FTI, this idea matured and led to an R&D project where the tool was developed, and in the end we generated hundreds of thousands of cycles. This large database associated to AI approaches enables to further optimize reload design. In the same manner, we studied the mechanical behavior of the fuel assembly, such as fuel assembly bow. Through FTI, we developed an innovative idea to simulate the mechanical behavior of the fuel assembly. We now use the tool in our engineering study.
Since the beginning of Free to Innovate, we have collected 300 ideas. More than half were further developed in R&D programs. All in all, the ideas cover a large range of activities and applications, and many ideas have shown up high value. In the short term, for instance, with the implementation in current manufacturing processes of machine learning and data analytics based on process parameters, or for the longer term with the proposal of breakthrough fuel concepts for existing and advanced modular reactors. A significant portion of these ideas makes use of breakthrough technologies, such as proposals of advanced components made with additive manufacturing and designed with topological optimization or artificial intelligence in all the domains of fuel activities.
On additive manufacturing, we browsed various ideas on Free to Innovate. The additive manufacturing opens up a wide range of possibilities to design components with optimized performance, and we use FTI to share the best of these ideas. It ranges from an innovative filter design being implemented in our product to advanced fuel design. An innovator also proposed to design a spacer grid with topological optimization, since additive manufacturing provides this possibility. Other innovators proposed ideas for advanced fuel design. Overall, with additive manufacturing, we can quicken the design process and rapidly bring value to our customer. Innovation was also brought in terms of fuel services. One idea was related to fuel assembly inspection. It consists in an AI treatment of the videos that we capture to further enhance the performance of our fuel inspection. Another idea in this domain also consisted in the development of a cutting tool for control rods.
An increased commitment of the employees who are free to innovate, who can take the initiative to devote time to work in innovation. Free to Innovate is a good lever to develop transverse collaborative teamwork, to motivate employees, and ultimately foster a true culture of innovation.
Free to Innovate has universal support up and down the organization. Direct feedback from key executives not only helps improve the quality of the idea, but also emphasizes Framatome's push on innovation. FTI is a powerful tool which not only empowers employees to support Framatome with their innovations, but also gives an opportunity for innovators to spend some quality time on their areas of interest.
Free to Innovate generates added value in fuel technologies and enables accelerating implementation of new technology. First, in zirconium and fuel manufacturing plants, ideas are almost operational and bring improvements for safety, quality, and productivity. Second, for design and engineering activity, Free to Innovate delivers new design features or tools that will increase performance during operation and safety margins of current commercial reactors, and Free to Innovate also proposes a set of innovative solutions for advanced modular reactor fuels. Ultimately, Free to Innovate brings added value to customers and allows at the same time to get prepared for the future demands of the nuclear fuel industry.
Innovation is a prerequisite to technological leadership and to face new challenges. Free to Innovate is an innovation and ideas development program that lies at the very heart of the innovation strategy of the Fuel Business Unit and greatly supports the teams to drive breakthrough innovations.